Dislocations. Introduction. A dislocation happens when any of the bones in a particular joint slip out of their proper placement. Select true or false. Correct. Dislocations are joint injuries that force the ends of your bones out of position. They can affect major joints such as the shoulders or small joints such as the joints in the fingers or toes. Sarah fell onto her outstretched arm. She is having pain in her arm and difficulty moving her elbow. Her elbow also looks swollen and red. Should she see her healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Pain, swelling, and difficulty moving a joint may be signs of a problem. Sarah should see her healthcare provider right away. Is it true that only sports players can dislocate a joint? Select yes or no. Correct. Anyone can dislocate a joint. Often, dislocations are caused by a fall or direct blow to a joint. This can happen in sports, but it can also happen due to a car crash, for example. Is surgery always needed to treat a dislocation? Select yes or no. Correct. In some cases, surgery may be needed to treat a dislocation. This is often the case if the joint cannot be moved back into the correct position or if any blood vessels or nerves were damaged. Surgery may also be needed if a joint is repeatedly dislocated. Wearing protective gear during sports may help prevent dislocations. Select true or false. Correct. Protective gear can also help prevent other sports-related injuries. Thank you for using Explain.